So in this lecture, we will talk about the strings in Python. So the strings are the sequence of characters or the words that is written in programming language. For example, if I'm creating a variable like poem, okay? Inside this variable, I am writing one of my favorite poems. So the name of the poem is The Man of Life Upright. Alright, so here I have created the variable which name is poem and the poem name is The Man of Life Upright. Okay, so let's so in last lecture I have told you how you will find the data type of a particular variables. So here we will find the data. So here we will find the data type of poem variables. So here I will write type function, and inside the function I will write poem, and let's print this. So print. So let's run this code, and here you can see the data type of poem is string. Beautiful. Okay, there is a built-in function which is len, and this is the function that returns the number of characters inside a string, including these spaces. Okay, so let me write inside the parentheses the variable name, so form, and this len function is a built-in function, and this will return the number of characters inside the string. So let's run this program, and let me print this. Here you can see the total characters inside this string is 23. Okay, we can also create some other string like, the man. Okay, so gender is equals to len, and then let's see how many number of characters are inside this string. Surely 3. So let's confirm this by a Python interpreter. And here you can see the 3. Now let's talk about the indexing of a string. Okay, just like other programming languages, we can also access the individual characters of a string. Okay, so let's access the first character of a string. Let's print the first character of the string t. What I will do, I will write poem, the name of variable, and I'll write the bracket. Okay, and inside the bracket, I will write the index of the first character, t. So here, the indexing starts from 0. So here, the index of t, so here the index of t is 0, h is 1, e is 2, and the space is 3, okay? Here I will pass the index of first character, which is 0, okay? And let's run this. And let's run this program. So print the first character of the string poem. Okay. So obviously this is t. Let's run this program. And here you can see the first character of this string is t. We can also provide the second index to see the second character of the string. Okay. So I'll provide 1 and then run this program one more time. So here the first index, the character in the first index is h. Beautiful. And there is one more concept in Python programming, is the negative indexes. Okay, so here we have seen the first character of this string is t. But what if we pass some negative numbers or negative string? Okay, so let's run this program one more time. Here you can see it's returned the h. This h is not that h because the string because the index for this h is 2. So this h is the last character of this string. So -1 means it will return or it will print the last word of a string. Okay. And what if I want to print the second last word of this string? So I'll pass -2. Let's run this program one more time. Here you can see the second last word of the string is th, and similarly the third last word. The third last one is I. So let's run this program, and here you can see the third last one is I. You can also print the individual characters in a range. Okay, so let's say I want to print the indexes from 0 to 3. I'll just pass inside this bracket 0 till the 3. Okay, so it will print the character and index 0, 1, 2, okay, and 3. So let's run this program one more time. Here you can see, including the base, we have 0, including space, we have 0, 1, 2, and 3 for the space. Right? And now what if I don't pass this 0 and just 3? So let's run this program and let's see what happens. Here, if I do not pass here 0, the Python interpreter automatically sets the 0 to this position. Okay. Also, what if I pass 3 here and nothing there? So here we are printing the string all the way from index number 3, which is space, to the end of the string. Okay. I write only the colon inside this bracket. So let's run this program. And here you can see if we just write the colon inside these brackets, we will find all the characters inside that string. Okay.